Hycroft Mining Holding Corporation announced that it has completed its previously disclosed at-the-market equity offering program. The ATM program provided for the offer and sale, from time to time, of shares of its Class A common stock. Following consummation of all sales under the ATM program, Hycroft will have 196,803,459 shares issued and outstanding. Diane Garrett, President, CEO and Acting Chairman of Hycroft, commented, "We are extremely pleased with the successful financing which places the company on solid footing to advance the Hycroft mine as well as opening up additional opportunities for the company. Thanks to the significant and timely equity private placement announced March 15, 2022, with Eric Sprott and AMC Entertainment Inc., combined with the ATM equity program completed today, our financial position is significantly strengthened, allowing us to reduce our debt and extend repayment to 2027. Raising gross cash proceeds of $194.4 million changes the dynamics of the company, expanding our ability to properly and diligently develop the Hycroft mine, including a robust exploration program, and to further unlock the value of this world-class asset.